Oh my god, it's actually coming together. It's actually coming together, babes. It's actually coming together. Thank you. Oh my god.
Tell them walk one block. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hi everybody. So I just woke up and I'm thinking I want to film a vlog today. I don't usually film vlogs. I think I've done maybe one or two. I'm not really a vlogger. I don't know how to do them, and I don't have an active social life, so I don't have much to vlog. So today I was thinking I'll do like a spend the day with me kind of vlog. I don't have much lined up to do today, but I thought it might be, you know, a cool fun vlog. But today I'm gonna be doing a few chores, installing a wig. I think I'm gonna do my face. Like, I had a client yesterday, but she wasn't able to come, so all my brushes are so clean. I want to beat this face, and then I have a nail appointment. So I love these nails. If you can see them, I love them so much, but they're grown out, and I'm thinking of like just doing an infill and Christmasifying them. So yeah, so that's what we've got lined up for today. So I'm gonna wash the bathroom now, but I'm not gonna put that in the video because that's not cute. And then I'll be right back. So I haven't done anything yet. I literally just rolled out of the bed, and I thought it might be best to unbox the hair before I start you know, getting all busy. So I just wanted to quickly unbox the hair. I know I look crazy right now and I shouldn't be, you know, up on camera, but I'm like trying to have a one-to-one, like a realistic view of you guys. So this is the box. It is so pretty. Oh god, it's gorgeous. So this is the box. The wig is from Yolova Hair, and on the front here it says Born for Beauty. Yeah, the box is actually very cute. And it kind of opens up like this. It's got like a little bag. I love wigs that come with bags because when I throw them in the wig box, I can throw them in the bag. Okay, the colors are very, very pretty. Very pretty. 13x4 frontal wig. I'm gonna bleach the knots. This is what the inside looks like. It's got 4 combs, 3 in the front and 1 in the back. And the lace. The lace looks like it's possibly transparent lace, but yeah. Let's see what it do. This is nice. This is real nice. I have put powder on the lace so that it's a bit more true to my skin tone. I don't know if you can see it. But anyway, there's powder on there, there's powder on the wig cap, done the bowl cap method. I love doing this method when I do wigs. I just think it's better. Oh yeah, I have bleached knots. I've plucked it a little bit. This is what it looks like after washing. It's definitely not, it hasn't held its curl, but I think this is a pretty curl. This is a nice natural curl, especially for bodywave hair. Bodywave hair is basically the same as straight hair in my opinion. They both have the same curl at the end, but this is a bit more curly, a bit prettier. And if I had like diffused it, it might be a bit bigger, who knows. But let's get it on. wig is on. I don't know, I'm not so happy happy about the front. It's not giving the way I love, but that's just me. I don't know what I did. That's just not making me as happy as I usually am, but it's fine. I'm pretty sure like after a couple of wears I'm gonna be able to tweak it and wear it the way that is pretty, but yeah, it's installed nicely. But anyway, what I want to say, my friend wants me to do a half up, half down, so I'm just gonna quickly do my makeup and then get into styling the hair. What am I gonna do with my makeup? I don't think I want to do anything much, just like skin, and yeah, that's it. I have been thinking about this concealer combo for the past few days, and I'm actually really excited to try it. So this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Tan Natural. I love this concealer because it's the coverage is so nice and it's so creamy, so affordable. Basically everything about this concealer is the bomb. The shade range, everything about it is amazing. The accessibility, I just love this concealer. I feel like I'm gonna be late. My appointment's at 5. This is 3:30. Because I still want to do my hair and I want to do like an extravagant kind of look. I'm thinking I might be late, but I hope I'm not gonna be late. But that's a possibility.
Purchase your tracks today.
Didn't let that concealer sit for, oh Jesus Christ, it looks crazy on camera but it doesn't look crazy in my life, but I didn't let that concealer sit for as long as I would have liked it to. If I did, it wouldn't be moving around so much, but because I'm in a rush, looking at it on camera is like, girl, you do not need any extra brightness, but like I'm still gonna try the combo anyway because I've been thinking about it. And then for the part that has been tickling my fancy, I'm gonna put like a little bit of the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Almond just underneath my eyes. This part I actually will let sit because I do not need this moving anymore because my eyes are already quite bright right now. I'm gonna contour my face a little bit more because I think it got lost in the source of the concealer. Up there. I really wish I wasn't in a rush for this because I would love to just see it come together beautifully, and I'm sure it still will, but you know, when you just take your time, the makeup always comes out scrumptious. But right now I'm in a rush, girl. No wonder my exposure was all the way off. If you guys watch me often, you know that Huda is that girl. That's my favorite brand, and I love this powder to death. Like the Easy Bake powder in the shade Banana Bread is my ride or die. I love it, but and I wish I didn't have to say this, but the Beauty Bakery Flower powder in the shade what shade is this? Cassava Flower. Oof, they are just neck and neck right now. I want to do a video one day where I compare the two because I don't know which one I like more. I know a lot of people, not a lot, but a few people did videos comparing the two back in the day because of the whole drama or whatever. But like, if you guys would like to see a video of me comparing the two, please let me know. Because that is on my hit list. That's a video that I've been thinking about making. Oh my god, it's actually coming together. It's actually coming together, babe. It's actually coming together. Thank you. Oh my god. the hair came together, everything looks cute, but I'm super late to go and get my nails done and I don't want the problems, so I'm just gonna have to dash out. I'm gonna show you my nails when I get back, but yeah, wish me luck. Hopefully she doesn't, like, you know, chase me out with a broom. But yeah, look at the hair, it's mad cute. My friend made me do this makeup. I was scared at first, I thought it looked horrible, but I think I look cute. I look like I'm going to a gender reveal, but I'm not. Oh my god. But yeah, so I'm back, my nails are done and I love them. I'll probably insert a picture so you can see them very well. Just did an infill and she did like an overlay of flowers, a little gem on top, and I love it. So my makeup was a disaster because I was actually hoping to like look cute on camera for a little bit, but no, this was all higgy hugger. It didn't go the way I wanted it to. I wanted to have my nails done, my face done, put a cute little outfit on for you guys, fragrance, everything, but God said no. So today, this came in the mail. So I ordered a pair of jeans and a NYX lip gloss, and the NYX lip gloss is the most important part. This is the NYX butter gloss in the shade Caramel. I have been looking everywhere for this, and I finally have it. I don't know why I'm putting it on like I'm doing anything right now. So pretty. It's actually really nice. But anyway, I'm thinking of doing a NYX butter gloss lip combo video. So if you guys want to see that, please let me know. And that is it for today. Oh yeah, about the hair. Forgot to talk about the hair. The curls held up okay actually. The curls didn't hold up too poorly, considering it did kind of rain on me a little bit. It didn't rain terribly, but like there was a bit of rain. So the curls are still nice, and considering I didn't like pin curl it or do anything like that, the curls held alright. It's very full, true to length, it's very pretty. But yeah, I'll put my final thoughts and everything in the description box when I can gather my thoughts a little bit better. But anyway, as I was saying, I will see you in the next video. Oh yeah, did you catch my earrings? I keep saying bye and then not saying bye, but did you catch my earrings? These earrings are so cute and they really went with the look. These earrings are from LUISA, and I probably will tell you more about them in the next video as well.